The Villages program is a grassroots community-based organizations that are, it's actually nationwide, that started about 10 plus years ago, and it is serving the needs. It's a direct result of seniors wanting to age in place and be a part of their community.
They're really thriving, energetic groups of people who are supporting seniors in ways that keep them active and happy, and provide that little bit of support as they need it. Important things that you kind of take for granted as you're getting older and you're in your home. Maybe you have some mobility issues, you're starting to not be as steady. A little thing like having a volunteer come over and change a light bulb for you can literally keep you out of the hospital.
It's a personal choice for many of our clients. They want to still be engaged in a comfortable situation, which is their home. We all want to be as active and engaged as we can as we get older.
So what many villages do is provide, again, volunteer-based services such as transportation to get people to doctor's appointments, help them shop.
Most people's goal when you survey them is they want to stay in their home as long as possible. They value their community. They value their independence. They want to be able to stay where they are and contribute.
One lady, she said, and it just so heartfelt, she says, "You're my new best friend." I'd only driven her one time, but because I went out of my way to make something happen for her, I became a friend.
So I think it's serving where you're doing something good, but you're getting back really feeling a very potent and powerful connection to someone, and it does serve both ways.
It's made me a better person, I think. I feel like I've contributed something to society in a general way, and I've contributed something to my community in a specific way.